guys, welcome to Starter Pack and Moto Vlogs. By the way, King Boris is here. Kumusta kayo mga ka-starter? Sana na-enjoy niya yung intro. Okay, yung intro ko. So, that's one of the things na ma-share ko ngayon para sa aking day 3. So, isa sa mga natutunan ko, mga basic editing. So, that's one. So, sana na-enjoy niyo yun kahit papaano. So, medyo nahirapan ako dun kasi like I said, I'm using crappy materials such as yung laptop ko na sobrang bagal. So, it took me a while creating that intro itself, mga probably half an hour, 1.5 hour bago ko siya nagawa. Been trying to know the platform. So, isa na yon sa mga naging progress ko with my self-learning. Second, for the YouTube channel itself, nakagain ako ng huling check ko. I already have 21, roughly 21 or 22 subscribers. Um, Mabagal, pero it's okay. As long as there's a minimal progress, okay na yun. Same goes with the watch hours. Konti lang nadagdag sa videos ko. Sa shorts, mm, so-so, kasi mas marami pa rin views yung sa partner ko. Although naka-gain din ng views yung ibang shorts ko doon, and that's all good with me. So, I would like to to share sa mga bagong magiging content creators diyan or mga paplano mag-YouTube. It's possible as long as you exert effort onto it. So, I'm already on my day 3. So, in progression natututo ako. Basta gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. So, magkakaroon ka talaga ng improvement. So, makikita nyo din sa mga past videos ko from crappy to at least nag-improve siya on a daily basis. I'm not pretty sure if I would be that consistent enough um, doing such videos or yung mga intro, outro or what have you, adding short clips sa mga videos, why not? Pero I won't be able to promise na magiging consistent ako on that kasi syempre within the learning stage may mga parts doon na minsan you find it exhausting and you would like to find another easy way para magawa mo siya. So, most likely than not, magkakaroon ng changes. So, yun lang naman ang constant dito sa world is change. So, if you guys are open to change, then chances are may chance of improvements. Okay? Um, so far, yun lang yung kaya ko may share for now. At least a little progress. Na I hope kahit papaano I would be able to set an example to those folks na gusto mag-umpisa creating their YouTube channel. So, kung masusubaybayan niyo yung video ko from day 1, pati yung mga dagdag, so makikita nyo doon kung ano yung mga nag improve ano yung mga kailangan baguhin. And if meron man, I would really appreciate guys na you put the comment like provided with your suggestions, advice, kahit constructive criticism, tatanggapin ko yon. Why not? Why not? Kung magiging way yon para sa improvement ko, I'll accept it. Um, pero apart from that, wala naman akong gustong i-share pa. So, yun muna for now. I hope you guys enjoyed and have fun. Okay? And gusto kong magdagdag ng mantra dito sa YouTube channel ko na it's never too late to start. If you're gonna start, start today. Don't start tomorrow. Alright? So, ilang muna mga ka-starter. Peace out. Booyah.